We're here at SOTI World Tour in Istanbul, a digital tech hub bridging Europe and Asia, and the perfect place for us to meet our partners and customers. This is an event for attendees to engage with product experts, explore SOTI's future roadmap, and attend exclusive training sessions.
I really love the event. They always have a lot of things that they're presenting to see from the best how small things can change our routine and our productivity.
Good morning, everyone!
During dynamic keynote presentations, attendees heard from our leaders about SOTI's vision for the future of innovation, including insights into the largest release of the SOTI ONE Platform.
Biggest takeaway is SOTI is not MDM software Indian, it's beyond it. Everything is one platform. SOTI ONE is the best in the world, it's number one.
Customers and partners experienced hands-on demonstrations of cutting-edge technology, making it an interactive and immersed learning environment.
We have the chance to talk with the product guys, which are behind the products, and have a deep dive session as well.
And with learning, of course, comes fun. The event provided plenty of networking opportunities, allowing everyone to connect, share ideas, and build lasting relationships.
Accelerate your digital transformation.
Be part of the tech revolution.
Connect, learn, network.
SOTI World Tour, where data meets intelligence.
SOTI World Tour is the must-attend event of the year for customers and partners to gain valuable insights and find solutions to their biggest business challenges. Thank you to all who joined us, and we look forward to seeing you at the next SOTI World Tour stop.